Morning, fish keeping friends. I just got a new shipment of fish in for my fish tanks today. I just wanted to share with you. I have them floating now. This is a little tiny super red bushy nose pleco. This is a hill stream loach. That's another super red bushy nose. And I got 3 of these electric blue acaras that I'm really looking forward to. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I'm really excited. I'm going to transition them now for about an hour. What I'll do is I'll add my tank water to their little pouches and stuff a little bit at a time, about every 15 minutes for an hour. Then I will take them and gently pour them into a net over a bowl, and then I'll bring them back, net and all, to the tank and gently release them into the tank. That gives them a good transition period to where they're not shocked, they're gently transitioned, and their pH level in particular is very specifically controlled. So they get used to it gently and slowly. Anyway, thank you, you guys. Give us a like. I sure appreciate everything. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Okay, now we got a hill stream loach this time, you guys. This is a really small one. Right there. There he goes. He's stuck right to the front glass. See him right there? That's so awesome. Another super healthy one. Okay, thank you. Okay, you guys, here goes the 2 super red bushy nose plecos that I just got. There goes one. There goes the other one right there. There he goes. They'll be fine. They look really super healthy. Got them from Dan's Fish, and no, it's not a sponsorship, and I'm not earning any money. I just trying ordering fish from them for the first time, so they look really healthy. Anyway, I sure appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to release the 3 electric blue acara that I just got. Just got them from Dan's Fish. Really highly recommended. Here we go. Watch, you guys, going to be a lot of fun. Gently, 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 gently. There they go. They're so tiny. Look at that. They're so tiny. Look. There they go. Oh, they look awesome, don't they? Super healthy. Look at them. That is awesome. Okay, you guys, give us a like. I'll keep getting you more of this content. I really enjoy fish keeping. Have a great day, fish keeping friends. Bye-bye.